Hey there, fellow speed enthusiasts! Are you ready to embark on an extraordinary journey that combines the exhilarating power of Lamborghini with the luxurious serenity of a yacht? If you're a fan of Lamborghini's supersport cars and have always dreamt of experiencing their unmatched performance on the open waters, then hold onto your seat because we've got something truly special for you. Get ready to set sail with us on an adventure like no other aboard the Lamborghini Yacht 63. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our exciting content. Let's rev up the engines and dive into the world of Lamborghini's nautical masterpiece. When you step inside the Lamborghini 63 yacht, you'll immediately sense the unmistakable influence of Lamborghini's iconic automotive designs. The exterior boasts sleek lines and contours that transport you to the realm of futuristic sports cars. But it's the interior that truly captivates your senses. Imagine settling into leather pilot seats adapted from the legendary Lamborghini Huracan Evo, complete with racing seat belts that evoke a sense of speed and exhilaration. The helm features an Aventador steering wheel, while the dash and buttons are meticulously crafted to resemble the driver's seat of various Lamborghini models. Even the paint job, borrowed from the Sián FKP 37 hybrid super sports car, adds a touch of elegance to this extraordinary vessel. Step into the yacht's interior, and you'll discover a galley with a dinette, allowing you to indulge in culinary delights while enjoying the panoramic views of the sea. Relax on the sun pad located in the rear and soak up the sun's warm embrace. For your entertainment needs, a pop-up television awaits, ready to bring your favorite movies to life against the backdrop of the shimmering waves. While there may not be room for additional water toys on this 63-foot beauty, you can still experience the thrill of water skiing or tubing, making every moment on this yacht an adventure to remember. As you venture below deck, the Master Suite beckons you with its luxurious ambience at the bow of the yacht. Alongside, a guest suite offers twin single berths, ensuring that your companions can relish in the comfort and elegance of Lamborghini's design. Even the upholstery, carefully selected from Lamborghini's automotive world, exudes an aura of opulence and speed. It's important to note that while the Lamborghini Yacht 63 offers lavish accommodations, it remains true to its size and primarily caters to a select number of passengers. Now let's address the question on everyone's mind: the cost. The Lamborghini Yacht 63 originally debuted with a price tag of $3.5 million, a reflection of the uncompromising quality and exclusivity associated with the Lamborghini brand. However, with only 63 yachts produced, their scarcity has caused prices to soar in the resale market. Even gently used models are commanding prices upwards of $5 million. But what about the performance, you may wonder? Fear not, as the Lamborghini Yacht 63 lives up to its name in terms of speed and excitement. With an advertised top speed of 60 knots, which translates to a jaw-dropping 69 miles per hour, this yacht is a force to be reckoned with on the open waters. Imagine the exhilaration as you glide through the waves, leaving a trail of pure adrenaline in your wake. The Lamborghini Yacht 63 is built for thrill seekers who crave the ultimate experience, both on land and at sea. To achieve such incredible performance, the yacht consumes approximately 100 gallons of fuel per hour at cruising speed. This fuel efficiency provides a range of around 360 nautical miles, allowing you to explore vast stretches of the ocean without worry. Reports from those fortunate enough to have tested this remarkable vessel praise its impeccable handling at high speeds. Just like Lamborghini's sports cars, the yacht effortlessly cuts through the waves, maintaining stability and comfort. Its sleek design minimizes vibrations, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride, even in choppy waters. Picture it: the Lamborghini Yacht 63 gracefully conquering the waves, a true masterpiece of engineering. In conclusion, the Tecnomar Lamborghini 63 yacht is a masterpiece born from the synergy of two esteemed Italian brands. With an initial price of $3.5 million, these yachts have captured the hearts and imaginations of luxury and speed enthusiasts worldwide. Whether you're seeking an adrenaline-fueled adventure or a tranquil escape on the open waters, the Lamborghini Yacht 63 delivers an unparalleled experience. Embrace the thrill of Lamborghini's design, craftsmanship, and performance as you sail through the waves with unmatched style and prestige. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey into the world of the Lamborghini Yacht 63. If you want to stay up to date with the latest and most exciting content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of passionate speed lovers. Until next time, remember to live life in the fast lane and chase your dreams, both on the road and at sea.